In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit shopping bag Romwe. First, open your browser and head to romwe.com. Before you do anything else, make sure you're logged into your account. Being signed in keeps your shopping bag synced, so the edits you make will follow you if you switch devices or come back later. If you see an option to sign in at the top of the page, go ahead and enter your details. If you're already logged in, you're good to go. Next, look for the shopping bag icon, usually at the top right of the website. Click it to open your bag and view everything you've added. This page is your control center for making quick adjustments without starting over. To edit the quantity of an item, find the quantity selector next to the product. Use the plus or minus buttons, or type a number if that's available. As you change the quantity, keep an eye on the subtotal updating right away. If the number won't increase, that typically means the item has limited stock in that size or color, so choosing a different option may help. To change size or color, look for the selectors on the item line. Click the size dropdown to pick the fit you want, and choose a color option if the item offers multiple shades or patterns. The page will update immediately, and you'll usually see any availability notes right there. Double check that the new size or color you select matches what you intended, especially if you're updating multiple items at once. If you decide you don't want something, remove it from the bag using the remove or trash can option on that item. Some pages may ask you to confirm. If so, just confirm and the item will disappear from the list. If you change your mind later, you can always find the product again and add it back. There's no separate save button to worry about. Changes save automatically. You can confirm this by navigating to another page and returning to your bag, or by refreshing the page to see your updates persist. If something doesn't look updated right away, give it a second to load, then double check your internet connection. That's all you need to edit your shopping bag on Romwe. Log in, open the shopping bag, adjust quantities, switch size or color as needed, and remove anything you no longer want. With these quick edits, you can keep your bag accurate and ready for checkout whenever you're set to order. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.